Proud new Land Rover. Door that opens.
Oh, there we are. All the way up. You clever, eh?
Come on, good boy. Good boy, Lucy. Lucy's only half trimmed, I hasten to add. There's a good boy.
What's Harry doing?
There's a good boy. Oh dear. Oh dear, Lukey. Say hello. Say hello. Good boy. Gotta do the bit under his chin, a bit touchy about it.
Can you throw a stone? I don't think we feel like a stone.
Burt bottom. Burt bottom. Ah. That's all, Harry. There's our little scrubber with the new haircut. Yes, she's a good girl. Oh, there she is under. And that way. This way.
The Christmas present from Liz and Ian. Shot of the front of the house. Bearing in mind it's winter time. The view from my kitchen window, as you can see, we've started clearing the mess up, but there's quite a bit to do. The view from this kitchen window, I mean. And we are then. We've put a new rail fence, new gate, new post rail fence. Here she is. Here she is there. There you are there, Gracie. Here's two more coming, old two attack in front. I can't see, I think it could be deeply behind. Here's another coming. There we are, see? They're all pets. Finally, you see. I don't know if she finds it.
I'm still going, and here's the first lamb. What's he doing? He's in the basket. Off we go. Little Miss Busybody. Ear infection. It's Lukey, isn't it? Shall I have it there this way?
There you are.
Henry?
Here's Henry. Come on, Henry. Coming. Those isn't as tame as Henry.
Henry's still soaking it up from the old food.
Okay. Isn't he? She rather.
She kiss him.
Yes, she's nice. She. Yeah.
Oh no, Kate, don't rely on her to stand up by.
There she is, yes.
giving Monkey a hard time.
Oh yeah, you're still dead. Yeah. Nah. Come on, nah. Yes, little nah. Yes. You go better than I can. You go better than me. Oh my God.
And off into the sunset they went.
Now, quick, the left side.
Moving up here, boss.
The money grab doesn't work again. Oh, what martyrs. Note the use of the huge feet. Skill beyond words. Harry, don't forget you want the chocolate maker. So off you toddle and make us chocolate. Quick, Slade, hurry
Moving
up.
up here, boss. Working on the chain gang.
Thank you, Scumpy. Careful you don't get wet standing in that doorway, Harry. Heaven forbid.
Careful your knees, then, Jessica.
The museum piece on the move. Dinosaurs still live. Is this a happy farmer or not?
Here, Chrissy. Ivan, the tractor driver.
Here we are, expectantly waiting for them to go up. More action photos for the video. Ned away, the bucket moves with ease. Harry tries to take off.
This is the wonder of hydraulics. Man and machine in total harmony.
It's bad to be John's fault. The face of a happy man. What a machine!
A pulsating, throbbing machine of 12 cylinders.
Back to the master mechanic.
It won't effing well go.
How did we guess you wouldn't?
It won't go up
So
or
I tell
down.
you what, no, this is what we
We're having a play before going to lunch, Jimmy.
That's Mrs. Tiggywinkle's house.
Is it? Right, Mrs. Diggerwinkle's house. Mum's been wearing funny little paths for them.
Okay,
Over there. Ooh. Gonna go and check out, it's alright, Kate.
yes, I'm going to move it back there.
Katie, let Alex have a go now.
Yeah. But no, I don't think so because his feet are softer than yours.
Yeah, quick, he almost stick a rope. Alex, quick, stick a rope. Stick a rope. I'm on the sticky thing.
You have that Wendy house, don't you? Cool, that's it. Will you wave to me? Good boy. That's a good boy.
I'm
Lovely.
a cup of water.
That's nice.
I'm going to put some more grass in it. Oh dear, grassy hands. I'm going to put in here.
What do we say?
I might press in.
It's what you call Harry and Alex going to get square eyes together watching Spot the dog. Oh, airplane. Airplane, well done. You have fun with Harry then. See you in a little bit. Bye bye. Oh.
14th of August, Mel's last day. There's your son
Yes,
over there.
we've trapped Alex.
Being
He's here with Harry at the moment, watching videos supposedly. Yeah, poor lad, suffering well. Right, back to Smelt.
And we're now going to go into the extreme part of the garden.
Hang on, Alex.
If you follow me to the square gate and help us.
Careful, Alex, good boy. Hold Uncle Ian's hand.
Hold my hand and we'll walk down the extreme bed, which is now going to be a dry stream bed. There we go, over the wobbly bridge.
Wibble wobble.
Bila Bila Baba, apparently. Whatever that means. Yeah,
This is the only bit of the garden you haven't seen, that's why we're doing this. Whoops!
now going down in the stream. Alright, Poppet?
Get him out, quick.
You've got all your travel clothes dirty.
No, these aren't his travel codes. Help him out.
Do you want to stay in there or come out?
We're looking after your son so well.
Yes. We're just roughing up a bit. There you go. Right, we'll go and force feed him some swimming now by taking him in the pond. Jimbo's just arrived. We'll have a look for a bit of wildlife.
This is our one success around this side.
Herons, very good. There he is, doing everything you shouldn't do. So you go to tummy.
Oh, zoom in on the dummy.
Bring him up a bit more. I think, oh, you better get a glimpse of the gunnerer.
Oh yes, and years to come when you come. That
And
will
the
be
one down this
enormous.
end. Oh, look at Alex, recognise the word gunnerer. He's gone straight to it. Well,
Crap.
Hardy willows.
Bye, Daddy. Risking life and limb, fearless soul. Who's the other one? I did, yeah.
You get it on film?
Yep.
You have the lens cover on.
No, not like you.
I mean, just
No, I'm not Mum.
So we say farewell to the garden. A unique property with some panoramic views over some of Worcestershire's most outstanding countryside. You're now in what's locally known as the big room. We're not sure why, apart from it's big. If you come down here, behind the settee, don't look down there. We have a pile of bedding in the far corner, which we haven't hidden, and a rocking horse.
And we've got someone lying down
I'm
here
trying to
with
avoid
a
the
ball.
windows.
Oh, sorry. Lovely piece here. The rocking horse was in a rather dilapidated state and has recently been restored.
It was Harry's.
It was Harry's.
Thank you, Katie. Katie, thank you.
Thank you, Katie. Shall we move on?
There's a Harvey down there making
And if
funny
you look
noises.
very carefully here, this is where I spilt
And
the
if you want
wax
wax.
onto the
But
carpet.
Auntie Mel's told me how to get rid of it.
Large fireplace, which took 69 weeks to build,
with a big beam on it.
with a big beam on it. Thank you very much, Katie.
Thank you,
And we're
Katie.
now moving up into bat country.
Yes, we have several bats.
That's where our pet bats live. And closed out the size of the beams,
And down there there's my
the
bedroom.
sharp coleridge, and the height, therefore designed to knock your head off.
Saying?
With Humpty Dumpty.
Oh, so you're having smutty time with Humpty Dumpty apparently. This is Katie's bed. Near the corner.
And my teddy bear picture.
And all her pictures and knick-knack. And this is the sort of play area.
Harvey's bedroom.
Could you give us a little commentary on what's in here, Kate? What sort of beds have we got?
Bunk beds.
Right.
Bunk beds.
Here's Harvey's rocking horse picture.
The new bunk beds. Shut them up. I'm swamping the room. Just about all get in here.
And we have got my Aladdin and Harvey's number one.
Right.
Okay. There's the top bunk.
And this is my job.
So I'll be doing commentary for you.
Especially designed for children and people who are infirm. Please note the open tread.
Oh, hang on, I'll do detail in a minute. Death trap stairs. And yes, if they survive the fall, we kill them on the floor.
Looking its usual immaculate self. No, that's not early learning down there. It is actually the toy pile. We've got dinosaurs. We've got little monkey man with a big fat tummy. All its glory.
That's his daughter on the loose.
There you go. That's the
That's the kitchen, which is a bit of a dump because we've been washing up.
Mummy, why are you getting my
And coming.
Oh, Katie's picture, show me.
There.
Lovely.
Press the ring button there. You can't really come into my office because there's not room for more than one person, so a camera would probably overdose the space, but here we have a lot. Pretends that some professional books down there. And that lovely piece of the desk, yes. And there we go, and there's some more back country over here.
Yeah, the bats like it in there a lot.
If you like to have a look down here.
Hang on, I'm just going round to Harry's now. It's Harry's. Back round to the border. Coming back. Oh, I can hear Mel, I can hear Mel. Here's Alexi, and Auntie Mel.
And me.
And Katie and Harvey. And here we go, there's the barn. There you go.
So there we are.
A white butterfly.
Give it up, she won't.
Get it back quick.
I can't look.
Grab it.
This hole. Oh, can somebody tell me what the date is?
15th.
It's here they are. It's the 15th of August and it's his end, so we're going to run out. So a quick scan of everyone
Wave.
because my tape's ending.
When I'm not throwing at her.
Okay, smile kids because my tape's ending. Come and smile to me.
Goodbye.
And a bit of Els. Fran, I'm getting mixed up again. There's Franny. There's our Katie. There's
Goodbye.
Aurella. There's Aurella. There's our Hob.
Harvey.
There's our Hob. Harry
No.
and Sarah. Oh, I'm a bit close. It's scary. And yep, we're making him walk round. He's coming back from seeing Jane. There's Wendy. She'll be really cross with me for filming her. Those kids, wave for the wave.
Somebody else.
Nearly had your fingers.
That's Emma.
Emma? Oh, you're giving.
Do you want one at home?
What's his name?
Mr. Snowman. No, Mr. Skullman. Mr. Skullman! Alvin! Alvin, where are you? Here I am, behind you. Behind you, my husband is there.
skiving kid. She's got a cough. She's got day off school. And half the skiving, half day. Now wave bye-bye to me. Is it good?
Yes, really good, but can we make it nice? Flavors. Whoa, that's cool.
Two kiddywinks playing in puddles.
It's this
And here, his mum.
right here.
His work is never done, and he's therefore cooking Sunday lunch while the rest of us lark around. Dr. Wood
Oh, you need to boost test that one.
is coming through some of the shrubs and whatnot, and the house in the background, and the kids are now going to lead us onto the big puddle. Trees that are planted down there. There's a glimpse of the Malvern Hills and Dotswood. Hi Scamps, hi Harv. What we'd really like to do, plant a bit of a wood here as well. Trees over there. Towards Elmar Country. And this is a ride with a rather spectacular view up towards those Malvern Hills. And there's those kiddywinks. Give us a smile, Charlie.
Little assistance into the world. And you can see what's happening. Well done, Blondie. Good girl. Good girl.
You got keys to the house?
Yes, yes, you never look round.
I always thought it was interesting. You know Palmer, the beauty thing?
Yeah.
Well, Miss Palmer is a client of mine,
Yeah.
and the bloke that owns Webb's, when he was planting up a garden for his mother and needed some trees, he came and bought them off her. He didn't use his own stock. Rather sensible.
Thanks, Jan. We didn't find it there, did we?
Probably happens to Robert Redford as well.
I didn't know.
What did you just say, Alan?
Touch it.
Oh, you're my hero! First clone dog.
Feel how, feel how hard this,
God, it's like rock.
how big, you know? Look at this big box from my head.
Not a
You
good
called
idea.
the South African police force.
Shouldn't do that if I was.
I banged my head yesterday in the airport, didn't I?
Big.
Yeah. Two heroes.
Feel muscle.
Oh, mine aren't worth it.
Social etiquette in South Africa. Hello, pleased to meet you. Show me your big muscle.
Well, I don't think I've got it.
3. There's hot wax in there, isn't there? 4. And 1 in the high diddle diddle.
Where's that gone? Where's that dripping?
It's wax. It's green wax.
What's it dripping on?
Here we are on Saturday, the what of May is it? 24th? 24th of May.
Scrumpy eating a stick. We throw the stick for Scrumpy.
Mum, you always cut off the sheep's head and you put it on there.
You cut off the sheepy's head and put it on there?
You- Up there.
What kind of satanic rituals have you been to?
Oh, muddy.
In the boggy undergrowth, looking for frogs and toads and newts. And round here, oh, it's Mooney. Surveying it all. Do we see a cigarette? Yes, we see the weed. Could I have a wave from the explorers? Can I have a wave? Where's Alex?
Wave.
Oh, where are you?
Alex, wave.
Yeah.
Alex, I can't see you. Oh, there you are.
Oh. If I- Can you see the big one? Yeah, there. Yeah, the huge. No, not there. Let me have a go. Hang on. Okay, trying to get this ginormous one. Who's that? We're trying to get this giant one. Come on, Kate. You have to get it.
Kate, hello Kate. How many you got? Show me. Kate, show me. Ooh, good collection. Come doves, let's have some action.
Open sesame!
Wave bye-bye.